Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to clear the cookies and caches in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. Once you open the Mozilla Firefox, on the top right hand side here you can see the three lines. Open application menu. So just click on that. So just scroll down and here you can see the settings option. So click on settings. So once you go to the settings on the left hand side here you can see general, home, search, privacy and security and all. So select the option privacy and security. Once you select it, just scroll down. Once you scroll down here you can see the history option. Under history here you can see Firefox will remember history, and next to that here you can see Firefox will remember your browsing, download form and the search history. So next to that here you can see the clear history. So click on clear history option, and here you can see whether you want to clear the browsing data, cookies and caches, whether you want to clear it for the last hour or for the last 2 hours, 4 hours, or for only for today or for everything. Okay, suppose if you want to clear browser cookies and caches, everything whatever is stored in your system through the Mozilla Firefox means. So just select the option everything. Once you select everything, all the selected items will be cleared. This action cannot be undone. That means like all the browser cookies and caches will be removed, and this action cannot be undone. Okay, that means like whatever the browser cookies and caches are deleted, that cannot be restored again. Okay, so once you select everything, and here finally you can select the clear option that will clear the history, cookies and site data, temporary cached files and pages. Okay, so just click on the clear option. So once you click on the clear option, all the browser cookies and caches will be removed from the Mozilla Firefox web browser, which whatever is stored on your system. Okay, so this is how you can clear the browser cookies and caches in Mozilla Firefox browser. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.